Have you been looking for a high quality, good smelling bar of soap or shampoo that's also environmentally friendly? Well, I'm going to tell you about one in this episode of Travels with Delaney. Welcome back, everyone. So if you've been looking for a high quality soap or shampoo that smells good and is also environmentally friendly, and if you're familiar with our channel, you know we love Redbudsuds. Redbudsuds is the soap that's made over in Canton, Ohio, batch made by hand, high quality, good for the environment, and we absolutely love them. We love the fact that they are bars of soap. They come in these cardboard containers that are recyclable. We don't have the waste of the bottles. You can see that typically with our normal hair care and bodies, it took lots of bottles, and these bottles end up in landfills or recycle centers. But with Redbudsuds, we eliminate the bottles, but more importantly, these are 4-in-1 bars. So we can potentially eliminate 4 bottles with this one bar of soap. It's a shampoo, it's a conditioner, it's body soap, and it can be also used for shaving purposes. That's right. Now you might be thinking, how is a bar of soap going to make enough lather for me to shave? Well, one of the secrets to Redbudsuds is their Shampoo. And the Shampoo is this plastic mesh that you put your bar of soap in. So we would take it out of the cardboard container, put our bar of soap in here, and using the Shampoo creates an amazing lather. So you can use it for shampooing your hair or shaving. So that's why we love Redbudsuds. We've been big fans of it for over a year. Aubrey and her team over in Canton, Ohio make this amazing product. But more importantly, what we love about Redbudsuds is not the fact that it's a good smelling product that's natural, is they belong to Leave No Trace, which means 1% of their profits goes back to protecting water. And each year they do a collaboration bar to help some cause. And this year, their cause is FLOW, F-L-O-W, for the love of water. Now, we live here in the Midwest, and we are home to the Great Lakes. And unbelievably, the Great Lakes make up 20% of the Earth's fresh water supply. So this year, the collaboration bar is going to be going to For Love of Water to help protect our Great Lakes and keep them nice and clean and safe. So what's in this? Well, it's that collaboration bar. And what makes this bar so special is it's the same quality product that we come to love out of Redbudsuds. But in this case, 50% of this bar is going to FLOW to help protect the Great Lakes. And so here it is. This is this year's collaboration bar. Now, we're really excited about this. It says right on here, feel the flow, I pine for clean water, Great Lake Lover Shower Bar. Now, this is a 4-ounce bar, and again, it's their 4-in-1 bar. Shampoo, conditioner, body, and shave. And it's great for home, it's great for camping, it's great to take to the gym, or even just if you're traveling and staying in hotels and you want your own soaps and shampoos, well, you can do that in this single bar. And again, like I said, 50% of each bar of FLOW that is sold is going to For the Love of Water. Now, I also want to share with you some of the ingredients, because I think when you're talking about this, you know, what is in your bottle that you're currently using? Well, let me tell you what's in the Redbudsuds. Water, castor oil, coconut oil, lard, olive oil, sodium hydroxide, shea butter, lavender oil, cedar oil, rosemary oil, eucalyptus oil, balsam fir needle powder, and then there's an asterisk right beside of that sodium hydroxide that says, no lye remains in the final soap. So we love it because we love all the oils in here. For those of you that don't know, I had terrible dandruff a couple years ago and nothing worked. I was buying product after product after product. And then when I tried my first bar of Redbudsuds and started using it as my shampoo, basically my dandruff cleared up. Now, I occasionally, when it's really dry out, still get a little bit, but overall, this is what cleaned up my dandruff issue. So this is the new bar. We're excited to present it. If you want your own bar of Redbudsuds, you can go to their website, redbudsuds.com. I'll go ahead and link that down below in the description box for this video, and give them a try, because I think you're going to be really impressed, whether you go with one of their regular scents like the Grits and Grin, or whether you go with their Citrus Sunshine, and they have several other bars on their website that you can check out. Those will all help by giving 1% back to leave no trace. But more importantly, if you buy Flow, 50% of this bar is going to help clean up the Great Lakes. So if you have any questions or comments, if you use Redbudsuds, drop that down below in the comments and tell us about your experience. Till next time, everybody, we'll see ya on down the road with clean Great Lakes.